Hi guys, welcome to our school channel TV SKFC. In this episode, we are going to show you our first week at FCPriSMa. It's surely be fun. Let's have a look. Let's go.
Ya. Tidak. Buat apa?
Buat hati. Tengok cerita kita.
Bila belajar awak.
Selamat datang diucapkan kepada Puan Guru Besar kita, iaitu Puan Kasmawati binti Abdul Karim. Kami sangat berbesar hati menerima kedatangan Puan Guru Besar. Selamat datang ke SKFC.
Dapat puan tentang minggu pertama persekolahan ini.
Okey, alhamdulillah tengok anak-anak semua happy. Keadaan sekolah pun macam biasa. Selamat terkawal, apa tu, sekolah bilik darjah pun cantik-cantik, lawa, bersih. Itulah, diharapkan anak-anak boleh belajar dengan sungguh-sungguh lah.
Bagaimana pula dengan anak puan di sekolah?
Semua suka, dapat bagi baru, kasut baru dan cikgu-cikgu pun baik-baik. Alhamdulillah, semoga semuanya berjaya dunia akhirat. Amin. Terima kasih, sama.
Can you introduce yourself?
My name is Kasmawati binti Abdul Karim. I'm from SK Rahmat before in Kelantan. Right now I'm teaching as a GB in your school, master in your school.
How do you feel transferring to this school?
I feel happy because I can come back to my own state.
Do you have any vision that you set for this new school?
Okay, my mission for this school, I want to what we call it, I want introduce or improve our school, so our school can achieve good, can improve in the what we call in the in your performance, in our performance, and then our school can go far, and all the teachers are happy and all the students happy to come to school. That's all.
That's it for today's episode. See you again.